A charge-off does not disappear when you pay it. It can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years from the first missed payment that led to the charge-off, even if the balance is fully paid later. Lenders still see it as a serious negative mark because it shows the account was written off as a loss. By the end of this, you'll know when a charge-off can actually be removed, how to dispute incorrect charge-offs, and what to do when the debt is valid, but you still want it cleaned up or updated. First thing to understand is that not all charge-offs are accurate. These accounts often get transferred between original lenders and collection agencies, and errors can happen during reporting. You might see wrong balances, duplicate accounts, or even a charge-off that does not belong to you. Start by pulling your credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Go to the negative accounts section and locate the charge-off entry. Check the original creditor name, the reported balance, and the date of first delinquency. That date is important because it determines how long the account can legally stay on your report. If anything looks incorrect, your next step is a dispute. You file it directly with the credit bureau, select the charge-off account, and mark it as inaccurate. The bureau then contacts the lender and requires them to verify the information. If the lender cannot verify the charge-off details, it must be removed. If they confirm it is accurate, it will stay on your report until it naturally expires. If the charge-off is accurate, removal is much harder, but there are still 2 practical options. The first is a goodwill adjustment request. This is where you contact the original creditor and ask them to remove or update the charge-off after you have paid or settled the account. The second option is settling the debt and then focusing on rebuilding your credit profile. A paid charge-off does not erase the history, but some lenders view a settled account more favorably than an unpaid one. One important detail people miss is that updating a charge-off to paid does not improve your score immediately. It only changes how future lenders interpret the account. To avoid future charge-offs, the key is addressing missed payments early. Most charge-offs happen after a long period of missed payments, where communication with the lender stops completely. To summarize, charge-offs can only be removed if they are inaccurate or unverified. Disputes require documentation checks through credit bureaus, and accurate charge-offs usually stay until they age off unless a goodwill adjustment is granted. A practical next step is to pull your credit reports today and highlight every charge-off so you can verify each one before deciding whether to dispute or negotiate. Subscribe for more clear, step-by-step breakdowns on fixing credit issues without confusion or guesswork.